Home Flooring Trends 2026. As we approach 2026, home flooring trends continue to evolve, blending style, sustainability, and technology. Homeowners are looking for flooring that not only enhances the beauty of their spaces, but also offers durability, eco-friendliness, and convenience. Here are the key flooring trends expected to dominate in 2026. 1. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Homeowners are becoming more conscious of the environmental impact of flooring choices. In 2026, expect a surge in sustainable materials such as bamboo, cork, reclaimed wood, and recycled tiles. Manufacturers are also focusing on low VOC finishes and adhesives to improve indoor air quality while maintaining a luxurious appeal. 2. Advanced waterproof flooring. Water-resistant flooring is becoming a necessity, not just for bathrooms and kitchens, but for entire homes. The latest innovations in luxury vinyl, engineered wood, and waterproof laminate ensure durability and ease of maintenance, making them a top choice for busy households. 3. Smart flooring technology. Technology is reshaping the flooring industry. Smart floors embedded with sensors will become more common, offering features such as underfloor heating, step counting, and even home security alerts. These innovations add both comfort and functionality to modern homes. 4. Bold and artistic patterns. Geometric patterns, oversized tiles, and unique inlays will take center stage in 2026. Homeowners are moving away from traditional flooring designs and opting for visually striking floors that serve as statement pieces. Customization through digital printing will also allow for more personalized styles. 5. Wide plank and natural wood finishes. The demand for wide plank flooring with natural matte or wire-brushed finishes is on the rise. Light wood tones like white oak and ash are expected to dominate, bringing warmth and a timeless aesthetic to modern interiors. 6. Luxury vinyl tiles. Luxury vinyl tiles remains a top contender for its affordability, durability, and realistic wood and stone appearances. The next generation of luxury vinyl tiles will feature enhanced textures, deeper embossing, and improved scratch resistance, making it even more appealing to homeowners. 7. Mixed material flooring. Blending different materials in a single space, such as wood and tile or stone and vinyl, is becoming a popular way to create visual contrast. This trend allows homeowners to define spaces creatively while maintaining a cohesive look. 8. High-contrast flooring choices. Dark floors with light-colored walls or vice versa will be a common design choice in 2026. This trend helps create a dramatic, elegant effect that enhances the depth and dimension of a room. 9. Seamless indoor-outdoor flooring. Homeowners are seeking ways to extend their indoor flooring into outdoor spaces for a seamless flow. Materials like polished concrete, natural stone, and durable composite decking will continue to rise in popularity. 10. Minimalist and textured concrete. Polished concrete floors with subtle textures will gain traction for their industrial chic aesthetic and low maintenance. This flooring choice is perfect for modern minimalist homes and pairs well with contemporary decor. As flooring trends evolve, the focus in 2026 will be on sustainability, technology integration, and unique design choices that make floors both practical and visually stunning. Whether renovating or building a new home, these flooring trends will help create a stylish and future-ready living space.